No, I don't need to save.
Hmm?
Don't need to save.
You don't need to save?
No.
Why?
Just press the button, stop, and then it's already saved automatically. Just gonna make a video of you.
So now we're going around the corner.
Try to not drop us.
Mm-hmm.
I like this camera. Opa!
It's a bit rocky. Get a bit deep now. We're quite a way off the coast. Nice rock formation into your... Is that a shark? See the thing sticking out in front, look. You see it?
What? Are you joking?
I'm serious. What's that sticking up there? Look.
Shut the fuck up.
Look, look.
Where?
To the right of the cliff.
Huh?
There's something sticking out, look.
Yeah.
Somebody...
Yeah, there is.
There's something there, no?
Yeah.
Snorkeling.
I hope it says not. No, it's
That
not.
looks like a shark. I mean, look at that, it's a shark.
No, it's not.
Zoom in there. That's two sharks, that is.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm telling you, man.
No, it's someone snorkeling. Wait.
Definitely a shark.
Shut up.
You're in trouble now, mate. You got it on. You're recording it.
Yeah.
That's definitely a shark. Tiger.
No, it's not. I cannot see you in my camera, I think. So if it's a shark, we're screwed because we're just going directly towards him, you know? Oh, it's someone snorkeling right there.
You were worried though, weren't you?
I was worried for a little bit. I hate
the camera as well.
these fucking animals.